Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you for joining me for Smash That Small Pad. Usually I show you my scraps and there were virtually none this month. Don't mind the racket. Zelda I don't know what she's doing, but she seems to be having fun doing it. This month I used a 6x6 collection or little paper pad called Blue Persuasion, and it was from Hot Off the Press, which is actually an Oregon company not too far from me, but my friend Rhonda from California sent it to me. And I hadn't seen it. It's definitely something that I would have purchased. Blue Persuasion. I made a tiny little book, and it's kind of like the beach one that I made a while ago. It was inspired by that, but this one is a cleaner style. Because I had used this paper before, so I understood that it was perforated, and B, because I just thought it would be the most darling little like scrapbooky thing. Now on the ends here, I've used lavender eyelets because I know in a world where many of us who have been around have too many, at the time, that was all I could find. And I didn't want to hold up the project, and they kind of worked for me. Like, I'm into the Blurple family. So I have eyelets here. I will show you some snapshots at the end of kind of how this came together. None of this is purchased. It is a chipboard thing. I started making I took some photos as I went, and then, well, the whole thing comes undone. I get sidetracked when I'm having fun. But this is a collaboration with Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube and our friend Stampin' Cat on Instagram for Smash That Small Pad. We do it every month for the end of the month. I saw this paper and thought, oh, it could be one of those books, and it's so elegant. So here's my cover, and I was tight for just a minute. She's stealing dies off the wall. Nuh-uh, Missy. She puts them on the floor, and then I step on them. It's not a good system. So I was really tight. I almost ran out of paper, and I forgot to set paper aside for the cover. And so anyway, used it all, but I just love this cover. Then on the inside, I have left it blue. I think what I would probably do if I was keeping this book, which I'm not planning to, and I think it could be the same price. It's pretty light. Shipping might be trickier, but I'm going to say $26 all in, shipped in the US. Sorry to my international friends, but it's just a lot of work to ship to you. Okay, then what I did was I took washi tape and put it along all those perforations. So you're going to see the little navy stripe, much cleaner look than what I used with masking tape for the beachy one. But I love how it turned out. And it was a navy and like a vellum strip. So there's a sheer part that shows the paper. That part was a little tedious because I sat down and put that on all of them before I started. And then I have a pocket here. That's how I used the many pages of sentiments. I made them into pockets, and then I used one on the back cover too because I didn't need all those sentiments. So you have a little pocket there, and these papers are fairly patterned, but you could use this as a gift book, right? You could put your title right here, and you could put some photos, and then you could write some sort of amazing dedication to the bride or the whoever, the birthday girl, I don't know. And then you could have photos throughout. I just think it would be like an amazing little mini album. Or it could be a book that different people write on different pages. And it's 3 signatures, but they don't have too many pages in each of them. And, because there wasn't that much paper. How much paper did I start with? 24 sheets. But look at this. It's just scrumptious. It is a little bit towards the violet, which is also why, like this paper, the eyelets make perfect sense with this. So again, we have pockets. For these, I would use a silver pen or a white pen or put tiny photos on them. You can order those 2x2 photos, or you could get a vertical 4x6 and chop someone out you don't like. I don't know. Anyway, this is my cute little book, and I stitched it together with waxed linen thread. I just love it. It is elegant. Much more elegant than my normal stuff. This one could be a little tuck spot. Again, I was just using every last bit of paper, and I think I said it for the other paper, but you can write on dark paper with navy or silver. Sharpie makes some really nice metallic pens that work nicely too. And then back here, I just put a little cute pocket. Isn't it precious? I could have put it in the front, but I wanted the font to be right side up. Is that weird? Plus, you had just seen that. So that is my cute little darling book, and I'll insert a couple photos if you want to stick around and see those still shots at the end. Nothing too exciting, but it shows you how to make the cover and stuff. If you've never made a book like this, I sewed it together the way I do normally, and I have a tutorial about making journals, but the cover idea is more like Project 39 mini albums. Debbie, she makes beautiful books, and she makes them start to finish from scratch, and that's what I did on this one. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're taking time for crafting and relaxing. Be sure to come back again soon and see what I have going on. If you're here in the US, be sure and have a safe and happy Independence Day, 4th of July, and keep in mind that not all the dogs like the fireworks, so maybe just donate to a shelter instead. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed those still shots and take great care of yourselves. Bye-bye.